Hey, what's up, world? So today we have a Samsung dryer that's giving a noisy operation. Check it out. All right, now that we have everything open, I want to check out the rollers, the idler pulley, the motor, and the blower wheel. You can see the back left roller is the main issue. All right. Tested that out. The wheel is good. No issues. All right, here are the front rollers. I'm gonna check it out. No issues detected on this one, but the one on the right had a bit of resistance. Gotta keep a few of these stocked in the truck. Now let's check it out. Everything sounds good, spinning good. All right, let's check it out. Everything back online. Got a happy customer. See y'all on the next one.